I'm Miss Pop, and today I'm going to show you a way to turn your nails into 90% glitter, 10% rainbows. Are you ready? Let's do it. First, you'll want to paint a layer of base coat. This helps your mani last longer. Now you want to apply 2 to 3 thin coats of a glittery nail polish. Here I'm using one that's holographic. To get this look, you're going to need 3 things: a paintbrush or a makeup brush. We're actually going to use the rounded end. And then you need a palette. I'm using a plastic one here, but you can use a piece of tin foil, just a place you can pour out your nail polish colors. And then the third thing you're going to need is a paper towel. This is to wipe off excess polish from the bottom of your brush. The key to getting this look is to actually be very gentle with the brush bottom. You don't actually want it to touch the nail. So what you're going to do is get a very good bead of polish on the end of your brush and just guide the polish off the brush bottom to the tip of your nail. Now, if you do touch down and if your brush does hit your nail, don't worry, just fill it back in by using your brush as a dotting tool. Just dip it back in the polish and dip it right back down on your nail. I like to use the bottom end of the brush as a dotting tool and create a little drippy drip off one of the bigger drips. Allow a few minutes for the drips to dry and then seal your look with top coat. Wow, you look even more sparkly than usual. You just can't beat holographic sparkle. I hope you had fun doing your nails. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Miss Pop Nails. I'll see you next time.